Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about the topic electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Already discussed the last class electric dipole. Okay, next let us consider the two charged particles. One charge minus q and then plus q. Minus q plus placed at the point A plus q placed at the point B. There are two charges minus q and then plus q separated a small distance 2d. The total distance 2d, the midpoint O, the O to A distance d, O to B distance d. The total distance between the point A and B, total distance 2d, constitute an electric dipole and its a dipole moment P. Dipole moment P acts in the direction, that direction. Let B be the point at a distance, at a point B, at a distance R from midpoint O. Let B be the point at a distance R from the midpoint of dipole O. Theta be the angle between BO. Theta be the angle between BO and axis of dipole OP. Let R1 and R2 be the distance of the point from P from plus Q, P from minus Q charges respectively. Here angle 180 minus theta. The potential at a point B due to charge plus Q. Potential at a point P due to plus Q charge. The equation potential at a point P due to charge plus Q. From equation V1 is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught charge plus Q charge Q. Next the distance R1. Equation 1. Potential at a point B due to minus Q charge. Potential at a point B due to minus Q charge. From the equation, the potential V2 is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught minus Q charge minus Q, the distance R squared. Equation 2. The total electric potential at a point due to dipole. Dipole means minus Q and plus Q produce the potential at a point B. The total potential at a point B due to dipole. The total potential V is equal to the first equation 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R1. The second equation minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R2. The equation 1 and 2, the total potential V is equal to V1 plus V2. Here negative symbol, the charge, negative charge. From the equation V is equal to Q by 4 by epsilon naught. Here common factors Q, 4 epsilon common factors Q by 4 by epsilon naught. The remaining factors 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 equation 1. The total potential V is equal to Q by 4 by epsilon naught 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 equation 1. Here applying cosine law. Already know the formula. R1 squared is equal to R squared plus D squared minus 2RD cos theta. Here from the equation R1 squared is equal to, here common factors R squared. Okay, next remaining factor 1 minus D squared by R squared minus 2RD cos theta by R squared. Here R cancel. Remaining factor R1 squared is equal to R squared. R1 squared is equal to R squared 1 minus D squared by R squared minus 2D cos theta by R. From the equation, since T squared by R squared value very small, T squared by R squared value very small, so neglected. From the equation R1 squared is equal to R squared 1 minus 2D cos theta by R. Here remove the square, removing the square factor. R1 is equal to R. Here 1 minus 2D cos theta by R. Here also root of the power 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by R1. Reciprocal of 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R. Here the factors 1 minus 2D cos theta by R. Here reciprocal minus 1 by 2. 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R 1 minus 2. Using binomial theorem. Using the binomial theorem and apply. Binomial theorem formula 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx by 1 factorial plus n minus 1 x by 2 factorial plus dot dot. This value only applying for the small value, only applying here from the equation 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R 1 minus 2D cos theta by R minus 1 by 2. Here small value, that value is small value. Here applying binomial expansion. Binomial expansion 1 minus 2D cos theta by R whole power minus 1 by 2. That function 1 minus x whole power n, that function equal. Here applying the equation 1 plus the power n, function nx minus 1 by 2 minus 2d cos theta by r. 2 cancel, minus in the minus, plus from the equation 1 plus d cos theta by r. that value is equal to, this value is equal to here, this value equal, this value applying the equation 3, this value applying the equation 3, from equation 3, equation 4, this value equation 4 apply or substitute equation 4 substitute in equation 3. 1 by r1 is equal to 1 by r, z value is equal to 1 plus t cos theta by r, t cos theta by r, equation 5. Equation 5. Okay, next similarly the r2 value, r2 square is equal to r square plus d square minus 2rd cos theta, theta value is equal to 180 minus theta. Here already r1 value find out whether this angle is equal to theta. Here r2 value find out. Here theta is equal to 180 minus theta. So here applying the value, here applying cosine law, r2 r square is equal to r square plus d square minus 2rt cos theta. Here theta is equal to 180 minus theta. The 180 minus theta is called cos theta. Okay, from the equation r square r square plus d square plus 2rd minus cos theta, minus and minus plus cos theta. r2 square is equal to r square plus d square plus 2rd cos theta. Okay, next similarly last function here applying from cosine law, 1 by r2 value is equal to 1 by r2 value is equal to 1 by r 1 plus 2d by r cos theta whole power minus 1 by 2, equation 6. This function already derived from similarly r1 function, how to find out the same format using here, same 1 by r2 is equal to 1 by r 1 plus 2d cos theta minus 1 by 2, equation 6. This value applying from binomial expansion. The binomial expansion using binomial theorem, 1 by r2 is equal to 1 by r 1 minus d by r cos theta. Let us consider equation 7, applying binomial expansion. Okay, next the substituting equation 5 and 7, substitute equation 5 and 7, applying equation 1. Equation 1, the total potential V is equal to Q by 4 by epsilon naught 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Let us consider the equation 1. Equation 1, 1 by r1 1 by r2, value substitute here. V is equal to Q by 4 by epsilon naught 1 by r1 value is equal to 1 by r 1 plus 2d cos theta by r minus 1 by r 1 plus 2d cos theta by r. Here common factor v is equal to common factor q by 4 by epsilon naught. Here 1 by r, here 1 by r, common factor. 1 by r common. Remaining factor 1 plus 2d cos theta by r minus 1 plus 1 plus d 1 plus d here also 1 plus d cos theta by r v is equal to q by 4 by epsilon naught. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, d cos theta plus d cos theta 2d cos theta, the equation 2d cos theta, the common factors value is called r, here also r and r square. V is equal to 2qd cos theta divided by 4 by epsilon naught r square, 4 epsilon naught r square. Here 2qd value is equal to electric dipole moment B. V is equal to p cos theta by 4 by epsilon naught r square. Let us consider the electric potential at a point due to electric dipole. The total electric potential V is equal to p cos theta 4 epsilon naught r square. The following cases. Case 1. When the point B lies on the axial line, a point B lies on the axial line n plus q charge. Here theta is equal to 0. From equation V is equal to p cos theta by 4 by epsilon naught r square. Here theta value, applying the theta value, theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. The factors p by 4 by epsilon naught r square. Let us consider the electric dipole moment B lies on the axial line, the plus q side. Theta is equal to 0. At the time, potential V is equal to p by 4 epsilon naught r square. Case 2. The point B lies on the axial line minus q, the dipole minus q side. Here theta is equal to 180 degree. From this equation theta is equal to 180. V is equal to p cos theta divided by 4 by epsilon naught r square. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. From the equation cos 180 is equal to minus 1. From equation V is equal to minus d 4 by epsilon naught r square. Okay, next case 3. The point B lies on the equatorial line, K theta is equal to 90 degree. From the equation V is equal to p by cos theta by 4 epsilon naught r square. Here cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. From the equation, V is equal to B cos theta divided by 4 by epsilon naught r square. Cos 90 is equal to 0. About total potential, V is equal to 0. Thus consider three function. First function, the axial line minus q plus q side d by 4 epsilon naught r square. Second function, minus q side V is equal to d by 4 epsilon naught r square. Third one, equator line. The point B lies on the equator line. Theta is equal to 0. Here V is equal to 0. Potential, total potential. The dipole moment equator line at the time total potential V is equal to 0. The question is very important.